Hi, Troy.
And Elise.
We're dirt road dancing, and today we're going to teach you a move called the continuous pretzel. All right, now to begin this move, we're gonna come off of one of our signature six-pack moves, the rodeo. But we're gonna do it just slightly different as we come through. So leads. You're gonna start that rodeo, that right hand crosses over, left goes to the hip. As we come around, here's where the change happens. I swing that left out. This signals to her something's about to change. Right hand stays low. That lifts open that door so I can step through with my right foot and put my right arm into an arm bar. From here, my left hand goes up over my head. Once it comes down to my shoulder, I turn and look at her. Notice how as I turn my body, that rotated her frame. My left hand comes around her face, up, and then as I lift, I shift to my left foot and bring my right arm up, my left arm bars. As it comes around her head, I drop the elbow down. This puts her frame back in position, come towards my head, and then up over my head. Once I get to this position, this is when the footwork comes in. I step out with my left, drop the right, left comes up, step through with my right. And then I come through again. As it continues to, we do it back to back. You can see left, right, around, then left, right. Now to finish this move, we're gonna stop there. When we come around, I'm gonna disconnect my right hand from her left. I can step back and bring her through in a double spin and settle after.
All right, follows. We are going to show what not to do. Don't do this. Okay, so as he brings me through, we want to make sure that we don't stretch and plant our feet as he's trying to move. So if he's trying to do the move and I'm out like this, it's going to feel very awkward. And then we're doing all sorts of weird things that hurts our partner. We don't want to do that, okay? Another thing that we don't want to do is we don't want to run through the move, meaning that we're moving our feet unnecessarily. So as he's bringing me through, I'm not taking all of these extra steps while stretching. Again, looks awkward, not very flow friendly, right? Oh, the last thing we want to do, we don't want to do this, is we don't want to squeeze or push or pull our partner because his shoulders may come out of socket, which is dangerous.
Bad.
No. So what we want to do is think of having Velcro. Velcro is onto the fingertips. So as he moves, right, I stay connected. I'm not pulling, pushing, squeezing, and leading myself through. I want to make sure I keep those thumbs up and off my partner. Think of the Velcro. Okay, follows. This is what we do want to do. Thumbs up, what we do want to do. So, as he brings me through, I want to make sure that I move with my frame. So I'm following the energy and my feet move with me. So again, he's moving my hands, I'm stepping through, following that energy with my frame. My frame's going to automatically turn as I'm connected. So again, we want to think about the Velcro. The Velcro's in the fingertips. So what we do want to do is keeping that Velcro intact, right? As he brings me through, I'm able to keep up. And I also want to make sure that as I go through, again, we're not running, but as we step, my right foot does stay planted while my left foot pivots for me. That keeps me from overstretching and keeps my frame intact. So again, I'm using that left foot to help me pivot through. And you may or may not need to help your partner out by maybe bending down a little. Or leaders, if you are significantly taller than your partner, you need to make sure that you're bending down for her. Dance chivalry matters.
All right, we're gonna try this move together. Now remember, anytime there's a continuous move, 3 is key on the dance floor. It makes it look really smooth and cool and gives enough of the effect. All right. Then I go through, she goes, there's 1, step, step. Come through, there's 2, And here's that final third one. And bring her through on that double spin and release.